Working in the garden. We did a good job. The African machine. My gardening teacher. The teacher and the student. This was really good. Yeah. Healthy food. Good job. Thank you, brother. So there the African machine goes again. He's working like crazy, this man. I don't know where he gets the energy from. So you do it because then the oxygen goes in the soil.
Yes, you do like this to do aeration because when it is too shallow, oxygen does not go to the soil. You see, so you have to go deep, bring enough in your soil.
This man is a good teacher. Thank you. How to plant a pineapple.
Pineapple.
So we just eat it about an hour ago, and now this is left.
You
Tell
do
me.
the watering. After the watering,
Let me
let
see
it
the
grow.
pineapple from
from
all sides.
Will it
This
grow?